Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I need to divide both sides by ds. Next we have sy. Sy, they are the root number 1. And this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have dy over ds. First derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over ds multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v in here, and that is about the product rule of derivative. So for this one, we need to change y into vs. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify s for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to here and we divide both sides by 1 minus v. Next, about v, I will put on the right and we have negative v. Next, we do common denominator. So v multiplied by 1 minus v. So negative, I will put this one cone here, similar for this one. And now we combine two fractions together. Negative v, we have negative 2v. This one, I will put this one cone here. Next, I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so we have negative number 2. This one we have 2v. Later that we divide both sides by negative number 2 because we want to create about 1 minus v. So this one we change by u. 1 minus v dv we change by this one. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s, and now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.